Google Photos is cloud-based storage which can automatically back up your photos, videos, and screenshots to help free up space on your devices. Here's how to back up your media with Google Photos on both mobile and desktop. Google Photos is available on both Android and iPhone. For this tutorial, we're using an iPhone. Download the Google Photos app from the App Store. A pop-up may appear asking you to allow access to your photos. Allow access to all photos and log in to your Google account. Tap Backup as your profile. Select the quality of the media you want and tap Confirm. The app will now back up your media and any others you add in future. Google Photos is available on both PC and Mac. For this tutorial, we're using Mac. Download the app and log into your Google account. Click on the Google Drive icon here, and then tap on the Settings icon from the drop-down. Select Preferences from the drop-down. Click Add Folder, and select the folders you want to back up. Click Open. From the options, select the check mark next to Backup to Google Photos. Then click Done. Click Save to complete. The app will now back up the media on your desktop and automatically back up any you add in the future.